Looking for the best electric can opener but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best electric can opener based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. Zoomsnail KGQ5A Electric Can Opener. This can opener is a game changer when it comes to one-button operation. It truly is effortless, making opening cans as simple as pressing a button and walking away. I love that it's designed with family safety in mind, leaving a smooth, blunt edge on cans and using a magnet to retrieve the lid, keeping your hands clean and safe from contact. It's also a great choice for those looking for a zero-waste option, with a rechargeable battery and a single full charge supporting 60-plus cans. And what really sets this can opener apart is its ease of use for people with physical limitations. The easy grip body and simple controls make it perfect for seniors or those with arthritis or weak hands. The modern design is just the icing on the cake, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. Number 4. Amazon Basic CO 4400 ULB Electric Can Opener. Imagine trying to open a can of beans for a weeknight dinner, struggling with a rusty old can opener that slips and scrapes the metal, making a mess on your kitchen counter. It's frustrating, especially when you're tired after a long day. That's where this automatic can opener shines, providing a no-hassle experience with its robust stainless steel blade cutting smoothly and safely, and the automatic stop and on-off features making operation a breeze. The stable base keeps it immobile during use, and the magnetic lid holder prevents lids from falling, reducing mess and enhancing safety. It's perfect for anyone who values convenience and ease of use in their kitchen, and its sleek design adds a modern touch to your space. Overall, this automatic can opener is a solid addition to any kitchen, offering hassle-free can opening with every use. Number 3. Cuisinart CCO 55 Deluxe. We've got a real winner here, folks, and that's a 4.5-star product that's sure to make a splash in your kitchen. I'm loving the ease of use. The single-touch operation makes it a breeze to open any size can with the power cut blade, and it's all thanks to Cuisinart's quality-engineered motor system. The base is sturdy, preventing any sliding or tipping, which is a big plus for safety. Cleaning up is a total cinch, too, with the removable activation lever making it easy to wipe down. The standout feature, though, is that single-touch operation. It's perfect for anyone who's got a lot on their plate, like busy parents or seniors who want a hassle-free experience. Overall, this product's got it all, and it's a must-have for anyone who wants to make meal prep a little easier. Number 2. Hamilton Beach 76606AG Smooth Touch Electric Can Opener. This electric can opener is a total game-changer for busy families, seniors, and anyone who's tired of struggling with sharp can lids. Its standout feature, eliminating sharp lid edges, makes it a must-have for households with kids or elderly members who need a safer way to open cans. The fact that it cuts cans along the side for smooth, touchable lids is a huge plus, and the lid can be reused to store leftover canned food in the refrigerator, reducing waste and saving space. You'll also love that it opens pop-top and regular cans with ease, making meal prep a breeze. The one-handed design is a huge bonus, allowing you to easily open cans without having to wrestle with the lid. And let's be real, who doesn't love a sleek and stylish design that looks great on the countertop? Overall, this can opener is a total winner that's perfect for anyone who wants to make mealtime a little safer and a lot more convenient. Number 1. Cuisinart CCO 50 BKN Electric Can Opener. We've all been there, struggling to open a stubborn can, wrestling with a manual can opener, or even worse, risking a cut with a sharp edge. But what if you could open cans with just the press of a button? That's exactly what this electric can opener offers, making it a game changer for anyone who's tired of the hassle. It's designed for convenience, delivering consistent results for cans of all sizes with smooth operation, and it comes with a wide non-slip base for stability. I'm really impressed with how easy it is to use, especially for seniors who may struggle with manual twisting. The auto can opener function helps reduce strain, making it perfect for everyday use. It's built for convenience, making it a must-have kitchen can opener for daily meal prep and cooking tasks. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with this product's performance and design, making it a top pick for anyone looking to simplify their kitchen routine. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these picks are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.